Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to log into your Tax Bandit account. For this, guys, what you need to do is open up any web browser. As I have already opened Google Chrome, bring up the search bar and type in Tax Bandit login and hit enter. Make sure it takes you to the official link, www.taxbandits.com. Click on that link. Now, you will be taken to the official website of Tax Bandit. At the top right of your screen, you can see the Sign In button. Just click on the Sign In button to sign in. Again, you will be taken to the new interface, which is the Sign In page. At the right side of your screen, you can see the Sign In form. Here, you just need to enter your email address. Similarly, enter your password over here. Click on the eye icon to see your password or confirm your password. Once you click on the Sign In button, you will easily access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on Forgot Password to recover your password. Either you can log in with your Google account, Microsoft account, and your Apple account. That's much for today, guys. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.